Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Guys, for years I have had this very powerful medicine in my backyard, and I've only used it on occasions where I cooked beans and other dishes. Powerful medicine growing for so long in the backyard that it grows out of control. I've moved it several times, and I like the look of it. I like the smell of it. And that powerful medicine is the Cuban oregano. This is what it looks like. And you guys can go and do your research on the Cuban oregano or any oregano. So in the last couple of weeks, I've been doing a little bit of research on how powerful this is, antifungal, antiviral, usually taken with black seed oil. So I said to myself, I have a bunch of this oregano. I have the oil. I actually went out and bought a couple of bottles for my own experimentation. And the bottles came in bulk. So I think I got about 12 bottles. So guys, I'm gonna be making oregano oil, and I want to share this oregano oil with you. Is it free? No, it's not. But your shipping will be free, and you will be getting organic oregano oil created by me. So if you're interested in having one of these bottles, just go ahead and email me after you see this, or send a message. And I could try to possibly get one of these bottles out to you. I'll give you the price when you email me. Of course, the shipping is going to be included in the price. Pretty much charging the cost of the bottle, the oil, and the shipping and all that is going to be included in the price. So guys, I'm excited for this new journey. I'm going to be picking these leaves today. Tomorrow is a rainy day, so I'll be getting that process and bringing a video to you. I'm gonna upload a video, show you guys how I'm doing it, so you guys could actually see your oregano oil in the making. But like I said, if you're interested in a bottle, it's only a few bottles that I'm making this round. But if you're interested in a bottle of organic oregano oil, just go ahead and reach out to me. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.